I am Professor Dr. Dharmesh H.S, practicing orthodontics for more than a decade now. I am practicing at Geeta Dental Clinic, Basavangudi, Bangalore. Aligner maintenance or how to take care of your aligners. Today I will provide you with the information of how to take care of your aligners. Wear the aligners through the day and night except while eating and brushing or as instructed by your orthodontist. Remove the aligners while brushing, brush the teeth, clean the aligner and wear it immediately. Remove the aligners while eating. When aligners are removed, store it in the specially designed containers. Never keep the aligners in your pocket or bag. Follow the schedule of wearing the aligners as per the instructions of your treating orthodontist. Do not chew while wearing the aligners. Do not consume any beverages except water while wearing the aligners. The aligners can be cleaned using a mild soap or with commercially available cleansing agent. But while cleaning, use only water with the room temperature. Do not use warm or hot water. Do not use any home bleaching agents. If the aligners break, remove it and report immediately to your treating orthodontist. Keep up your regular appointments and or follow-ups for the successful outcome of your aligner treatment. For more information, you can log into my website www.alignersbraces.com or you can contact me on my phone number 9900008081. Thank you.